So where are we at? Who knows the name of this creek?
Silver Creek, I think.
Silver Creek. What lake does it fill?
What?
What lake does it fill?
Silver Lake.
Silver Lake. And what little ponds does Silver Lake pour into?
Little Silver Lake.
No, the Yardley Golf Course ponds.
Oh, right. But there's Little Silver Lake after Silver Lake.
How many people have been killed by Silver Creek?
Give me that stick.
How many?
I know of one.
Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Sasha, I need a rock, because once my shoes get wet, I'm done. They're not waterproof.
The slush looks like ice till you step on it.
Yeah.
Come on, Joy. Here, come this way, Dana. This way. Go on. Go on. No, you can go around over here. Follow my tracks. Come on, Joy. Come on, Joy. Lead the way. Are you getting cold, Joy? You're all bouncy a little bit ago, both of you, huh? Oh, you're not going to lead the way anymore, are you? Wish I had my camera earlier. Sasha was so cute. She was jumping from, just jumping and jumping and jumping. No more jumping, Sash? I know what to do. Where's a stick?